Shenzhen Chipshow Co., Ltd. was founded in 2001. The headquarters is located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen City, China. The production base is located in Jiangnan Science and Technology Park, Huizhou, Guangdong Province. It has subsidiaries and warehouses in the United States and Europe, offices in South America, Australia and Middle East, with more than 50 agents at home and abroad, and a sound global localized sales service system. Chipshow is a national high-tech enterprise in China, focusing on outdoor traffic LED display, outdoor LED digital signage and other applications to provide professional solutions. Self-developed products, granted a total of 57 patents, with production base of 25,000 square meters, and intelligent product manufacturing system, producing and supplying outdoor traffic LED display, outdoor LED digital signage and other types of LED display for customers for a long time. Since its founded, Chipshow makes to build high-end outdoor LED display brand as the vision, focusing on one-stop service with marketing, R&D, manufacturing and engineering, upholding honesty, rigorousness, responsibility, as its core values to service customers continuously.